Hi, I'm Liam. This is Arian. This is the Unreal Engine section of our project. So the first thing we did in Unreal Engine is bring everything in. We also had to fix a lot of things to do with materials. We then animated the camera. For the camera, essentially, we just used a sequence with the sequencer, and we added different keyframes for the transition the transform of the camera. We had to smooth out these keyframes. Essentially, at the start it looked really janky because we were trying to look at lots of different points. So we smoothed it out a bit in the graph editor. Then I'll let Arian talk about the steering.
So for the steering wheel, if we see, I added the animation of it rotating, and let's see, yeah, there we go. And then also the rotation. Let me zoom in. Yeah, the flap also rotates with the animation. Let me do that. And there we go. So it looks like it's rotating with the wheel, basically, as you can see.
Yeah, so the idea was that it would move. We then looked at the cannons. We wanted these flaps to go up. We actually did this part together, and we have the door pieces. See if I can find the correct door. I think it's this one. Yeah, so basically the door flapped upwards. We made it bounce a wee bit, so it goes too far, then comes back, and then we made the cannons move out as well. The firing cannons. This part was different. We had an event thing inside the timeline. Let me just open it up here quickly. Here, yeah. So we have an event, and essentially when this point in the sequencer happens, when you're actually running it, it calls the event for the explosion, essentially. And we also then animated it moving back as well. Okay, this is the blueprint for the cannon. The cannon was like a class, blueprint class, I think it was called. And inside of it, we put a point light, and we also put the Niagara particle effect system, which is an explosion thing. I actually customized this a bit because it's a default that looked quite ugly, so I made it a bit more explosion-like. It had arrows coming out of it originally. There's also a cannonball, and this is the code. So on the event, we set the visibility of the point light. We then set the visibility of we activate the Niagara system and different things, and eventually we do turn off the point light after 0.2 seconds. And that's basically how the effect works, and this gets activated when that point in the sequencer gets reached.